Hey you guys, how's it going? In today's video, I am reviewing the Green Tea Face Pack by SkinYoga. I was actually very excited to try this one out because green tea is known for its anti-acne effects, and I had this phase in between where I was just breaking out into pimples and I couldn't figure out why it was happening. Was it because of my skincare products, my makeup brushes, which I do keep cleaning quite regularly. So I was very confused as to what it could be. So I thought maybe if I tried out this face pack which SkinYoga sent to me, maybe I might be able to reduce the amount of acne I was getting, maybe get rid of the spots the pimples were leaving behind. So I thought, why not give it a shot? So I tried this product twice. I used it the first time I used it, I didn't see any major change, but I gave a gap of 7 days and tried it again, and now I'm sharing the results with you guys along with the whole procedure, how I used it, and how it worked for me. So keep watching to find out more.
So the product comes inside this super cute box, and it's a glass bottle, as you can see. It also comes with a spoon. First things first, take a bowl and add a spoonful of the product to the bowl. Once you've done that, take some lukewarm water and add that to activate the product. After that, you can start mixing the pack, and if you feel you need some more product, go ahead and add that. If you feel you need more water, you can do that too. Just see how it works for you. So I started applying the face pack using just my fingers because the spoon wasn't really helping me much in applying it because the face pack is just not very thick. I tried adding more powder to it so it would work, but that also wasn't helping, and I just decided to use my hands instead. And yeah, I applied it around my face and neck and completely avoided the eye area. Say hello to the Hulk. Anyway, once that was done, I set a 5 minutes timer on my phone, and then all that was left to do was wait. Timer done, time to scrub off the face pack. I only did this with a bowl of water to show you guys, but I would recommend that you all remove it in the bathroom itself because it's really messy and you don't want to completely dirty your room or any other area in your house. So while washing it off, I made sure I scrubbed it thoroughly and got rid of every little bit of the face pack from my face. After washing my face properly, I used the moisturizer by Citra, which is also the Green Tea Moisturizer, and it's supposed to help with acne. You should never ever just leave your skin bare after you've washed it, cleansed it with a face pack. So yeah, I applied this on. Now I'm not completely happy with the way my skin looks because yes, I was going through a bout of acne at that point. And all done. The second time I used the green tea face pack was after 7 days. So I followed the exact same procedure and mixed the powder with lukewarm water. This time around though, my eyes started burning because of the face pack. Because of the smell, for some reason, my eyes just started watering like crazy. This kind of happened the first time too, but this time around it was horrible. I don't know, I had some kind of allergic reaction. So anyway, I kept it on for 4 minutes only this time, and then again, of course, applied the Citra Japanese Green Tea Moisturizer. And yeah, as you can see, I still have pimples on my face. It had still not been cured, but I was hoping that after this second application it would work because I definitely didn't want to use the face pack again after the kind of burning sensation my eyes felt.
So this is a 50-gram bottle which is priced at 1,750 Indian rupees, and you can buy it online on SkinYoga's website and probably on other websites like Amazon and stuff too. You can check it out. So the ingredients of this product are oats, green tea powder, rice powder, and neem leaf powder. So it says that it's inspired from the ancient Japanese skincare regime, and we all know green tea is something that is given a lot of importance in Japan. It's a lot of food and drinks, and even the chocolates are centered around green tea. So anyway, it says it's green tea based antioxidant rich face mask which also slows aging. So it's 100% natural acne control, removes toxins from your skin, and the rice in it acts as a natural whitening agent and adds glow to the skin. So when I used the product, I had mixed opinions. The first time I tried it, it was okay. I didn't see some massive change, and the second time I had some very strong thoughts about it. So anyway, I'll just sum up the pros. The pros are that it's quick and easy to make. It dries up very quickly within 3 to 5 minutes and you're done, good to go, wash it off. Unlike other face masks which do take a long time. And other than that, it contains all natural ingredients, so it's mostly safe unless you're allergic to one of the ingredients. And it gives you a fresh, glowing complexion. And also, yes, it does reduce acne to a certain extent, but not completely. I definitely saw a change after the second application, but I don't think the reduction in acne came about only because of this product. There were other things at work. I switched up my skincare regime, changed up some of my makeup. So yeah, I don't think this would work very well on someone who has like an extreme case of acne. The cons, I feel like it's a bit expensive. It's 1,750 for 50 grams, and maybe you can make like a green tea based face pack at home and not spend that much. So you could try that out. The other thing actually which I really experienced the second time more than the first was that my eyes, they started burning. It almost felt like someone was cutting onions or something around me because I was literally crying. I never use the word literally, in general conversation, but my god, it was horrible. My sinuses started acting up and I was just dying. Like, I needed to get the face pack off. I did not feel this in the first use because I used more water and diluted the effect. Second time I thought maybe I'll keep it thicker, maybe it'll work better on my acne, but no, it just had the complete opposite effect and it just made me want to, pull my eyes out. It was that bad. So I still somehow kept it on for about 4 or 5 minutes, but then I had to get it off. So the other thing I don't like about this is that it's quite messy. Not only when you're making it, you need to be careful, because it comes in this glass bottle with an airtight lid, which is not that airtight. It just comes off sometimes, and that's scary because it can just spill all over. So yeah, I'm not very happy with the packaging and the fact that it's super messy. When I wash it off, it's like a complete mess all over the wash basin, which is fine, it's understandable. All natural face masks do carry that property. So that's fine, that's excusable. But the fact that the packaging is not strong enough, that is something I'm not okay with. Plus, it's a glass bottle. So if you keep something like this in your bathroom and you accidentally knock it over, it'll break like that. And I don't know, I'm not too happy with the way that it's packaged. Of course, the box is super cute, the way they present it, and there's a spoon that comes with it. But that's not enough, you need to think about the functionality of your packaging too. So final verdict, would I recommend this product to you all? Not really. Firstly, it's for all skin types, so I think the product can be improved and maybe they can make it for different skin types. Maybe they can make one for oily skin, one for dry skin, one for sensitive skin. Just that could really help. And for people like me who have sensitive skin, sensitive sinuses, it's not the best idea. I mean, the product really disappointed me in the second use when my eyes would just not stop burning. It was an awful experience, and I use contact lenses. I wear them on a daily basis, so I know what it's like. Sometimes when something gets stuck in your eye or irritates you, I deal with that quite regularly, but this was just something else. Like, I want to pull my eyes out. It was that bad. So keeping the packaging in mind, the effect it had on my skin, yes, my skin felt fresh and smoother, but I would not say that this alone took care of the acne, and it was slow in the result, which is the case with all natural ingredients. But it's not the greatest product out there, the greatest face mask out there. especially because it irritated my eyes so much. That just, you know, ruined it for me completely. Even in the first time I felt that a little bit, but the second time was bad, really bad. So unfortunately I will only be giving this product 2.5 out of 5 stars. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what else you'd like me to make videos on. I've been thinking of doing something fun because I've been focusing on a lot of serious reviews and DIYs and hacks. So I thought let's do something different. So if you want me to do something different and you have an idea, you can, you know, send me a message on Instagram or leave a comment on my post, or leave a comment on my Facebook page, or on, you know, send me a tweet on Twitter, whatever you like. Let me know, and you can of course comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video post notification. And yeah, I will see you very soon. Until next time.